Okay, so why do I use Filmora? Or a better question, is it still good in 2024? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna talk all about that, so let's get right into it. So yeah, I've been using Filmora since the start of this YouTube channel and even before that, which is almost 2 years now. And I've never thought of switching to another editing program or learn other ones. I've just stick to this because it's the easiest to learn, it has so much features, and overall it is so more user-friendly than some of the other editing softwares that I had tried to learn in the past. But halfway I just gave up and went back to Filmora because I know it by now. But just to clear something up, I am getting sponsored by Filmora. Now, some of you might have noticed it in all the Filmora videos I've been posting, but in this video they had told me nothing to say or what to do, so this is only my personal preferences. Filmora didn't have a say on this or anything, so you don't have to worry. This is my own experience and what I really think about Filmora. Okay, so firstly I want to talk about how user-friendly Filmora really is. Now, the other editing softwares I had tried in the past are things like CapCut and DaVinci Resolve, and as many of you might know, learning DaVinci is extremely hard to master. Now, Filmora is literally the opposite of that. Everything is perfectly laid out and you know where everything is. Especially me, we've been using it for 2 years. I know the inside and out of that app. So yeah, switching to other editing software just didn't work for me. Even I tried and I watched a bunch of videos, but at the end of it all, I just came back to Filmora because it's so user-friendly and it is so simple to master. Especially if you look at their creator hub and all of the people that make reviews like me and how-to tutorials. It is so simple, starting from nothing, then watching a few videos and you know exactly what to do. And stuff that makes my life easier as a creator. So yeah, and now let's talk about the AI part. So yeah, something you might notice in not only my videos but in Filmora in general is the amount of AI features that they have introduced to the editing software. Things like auto music, where you can simply type and it will make music for you, auto captions, AI powered stickers that makes their own stickers for you. There is an endless amount. Go check out my videos on them. I'll put them in the link in the description. But as I just said, they have introduced so many AI features that as I said before, it makes my life as a creator so much simpler and easier and faster in every way. Like the AI masking tool, I can literally draw a line and it will mask the image by itself. Okay, so lastly, I want to talk about the vibe of Filmora. I've worked with them for about 7 months now, and even the people I talk to, they're extremely nice and always ready to help you. Their customer service is always available and useful, and the whole community around Filmora is extremely useful. And like, as I said, go to their creative hub or their website or whatever, and you'll learn from Filmora within a day just by watching a few videos. So yeah, I think that really sums it up what I think about them. Once again, I'm not getting paid to say this. I just wanted to make a video because a lot of people have been asking, why do I use this software instead of like a fancy software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut or whatever. And I think that really sums it up. It's just better, more user-friendly, and there's so much more things included that I don't have time to talk about, but go to the website, go to the link in the description and download it for now completely free. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.